to my channel. So I am back with some colors that I do not usually use. I haven't used green in a minute. So before we get into today's video, I want to show off this very cute necklace that I have on. It is from Julia Jewelry. So freaking cute, y'all. Like, it's rose gold and it's a heartbeat, as you guys can see, and it's so cute because it has this heart over here on the left side where of course your heart is, and I thought that was so cute. It has this little case just in case you got it as a gift for somebody. You can of course put it in here, and it also came with this cute little gift bag. And then inside of this bag has a cute little card for you to write like your name and the person's name on, and then also this little cute polishing cloth that's made of high quality cotton, impregnated with silver cleaner and anti-tarnish agent. And this is what it looks like. It's really cute and soft. So yeah, that's pretty much what came in the box, and of course it came with like some instructions and stuff, but I will link the direct link to this necklace down below. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and hop into this tutorial. I am priming with my Too Faced Born This Way multi sculpting concealer, and I am the shade Mocha, so that's what I'm using in my skin tone, by the way. I'm jumping into the crayon case. Y'all just be saying some of the most random words. Yeah, I'm taking the matte book from the crayon case, and I'm taking this green right here in the middle, and I'm using the E17 from Morphe, and I'm going to pack this into my crease. I'm going to take the 25L palette from Morphe, and I'm grabbing this light green down here at the bottom called Nature, and I'm taking that on the M506 to blend out the darker green that we put down. A little bit of this yellow, take just a little bit of that, and just tap it up here. Yeah, not too much, but just enough to just give us some more color. I'd be so scared to do that, but it somehow always turn out perfect every time. My next video gonna be an experiment. I'm doing an experiment. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is yet. Such a little bit of that goes a long way. Now I'm going to take a, oh my, I just threw like 10 brushes on the floor. I'm gonna probably cook with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. By the way, y'all, I set my I can't show y'all because I got powder in the top, but I use my Airspan translucent powder to set my smile lines. I'm gonna be applying my Fenty Beauty and I'm the shade 385. Oh, I'm using the same flat top brush that I'm so sorry I didn't clean it, but the same flat top brush that I used in the other video. It's by Emax Design, and I ordered it from Amazon. Okay, y'all, Amazon. So to highlight underneath my eyes, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C11. I'm going to be setting my face with the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in the shade light medium, or the number 20, same thing. Y'all, this concealer creased so bad. But I'm going to take some of my Too Faced concealer. I don't really like using it. I mean, I love this one actually. It's just not the right color for a highlight. But I mean, if it helps me with creasing, then I'm going to have to use it. Y'all be having so much trouble with my smile line sometimes. Like, some days they don't crease at all, some days they crease, but not too bad. They used to crease so bad though. Something that I recently started doing was using a brush to set my forehead, because when I use a sponge, to me it looks a little patchy. I'm not gonna lie, so I prefer to use a sponge. I mean a brush. Okay, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder. I'm gonna show you 330 in Maybelline, but I actually kind of stopped using Maybelline because I don't know, maybe I just need to re-color match myself, but 330 kind of started going on gray for me. So I just tried Fenty and I've been using it ever since, to be honest. So we're gonna bronze today with the Fenty bronzer in the shade Coconutty. So after I focus my contour right here, I just kind of dip back into this, tap a little off, and then I just kind of go crazy. I'm gonna take some of the same bronzer on this kind of angled e.l.f. brush. I'm gonna do this part off camera, but I'm gonna line the outer corner, skip the middle, and then line the inner corner with some black eyeliner. I'm gonna take my E18 brush from Morphe and pick up the same green from earlier and smoke that out right up under the black on both sides, and of course skip the middle again. And I'm taking more of that purple pigment. take some of the green pigment and put that right in the very center. For highlighter, I'm using my Fearless Faces highlighter in the shade Sugar Rush that I just dropped on the floor, and I'm kind of hurried, but at the same time, y'all, she has this great packaging where if you drop it, not too much falls out. So okay, sis, because we're not playing that. I'm using my Glow Glitters Glow Mist. Literally do the same thing on my lips. I don't even know what color I would wear with this, but this is in the shade Downtown Beauty. It is the NYX Suede lip liner. Taking the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cape Town first, and I'm going to go on top of that with the Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Cookie Butter. So we are done with today's look. Shout out to Mary from Julia Jewelry for sending me this necklace. I really love it, and it's so freaking cute. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Once again, if you guys did enjoy this video, yeah, I have really mastered saying that so fast. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys give me a huge thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more looks, and I will see you guys in my next one.